food. Loud bitches too. Do you really wanna be here? I know you do. Cook with me, I'll cook with you too. Let's cook with Kevin.
And welcome back to Cooking with Kevin! Looking for something to keep you warm during those cold winter nights? Well, I can't help you with that. But what I can help you with is a super simple recipe for one of my favorite movies. And probably yours too. Because today we're making Juggalo Butterbeer. You know, it requires only a few ingredients, and I'm really surprised you didn't show me how it was made to begin with. So I guess it's my turn to show you. First, you're going to want to place your pot and put it on a medium-low heat. Add in some Moo Moo Milkies, but not too many because you don't want to oversaturate the blah 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 blah. So you really want it just above the butterscotch tablet things that you didn't put in yet. But you want to put about 20 of those in. And 20. Now let that melt down like I've melted your heart over the years, stirring occasionally. And I can't stress this enough. If you are using a non-stick pot like I am here, do not under any circumstances use any kind of metal utensils to stir anything up in it. Once your concoction is fully melted down, go ahead and add some salt because you're salty. Yeah, you thought I forgot about that saying, didn't you? Once your concoction looks exactly like this, you're basically done. And you can go ahead and prep your glass now. This is the virgin version. But you can add liquor to this to pick it up a notch. Now just top it off with some whipped cream. And that's really all there is to it. If you like zany bullshit like this, don't hate, donate. Don't forget, I've got a merch shop. What should we cook next?